Welcome to the Investing Podcast, presented by Tusk Media. Now, for your early morning look at financial news and activity in audio and video form, here's the Morning Market Mimosa.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Investing Podcast. It's Monday, August 8th, 2016. This is the Investing Podcast presented by Tusk Media. This is your Morning Market Mimosa. Let's go, folks. Futures. Dow is up 15 basis points. S&P up 15. NASDAQ up 21. Gold down just a little bit, as you might expect. Oil putting together a nice little rally here, up 1.89% in futures trading at $42.59 per barrel. That's strong considering we traded recently under the $40 threshold. So good to see oil bouncing back a little bit. A couple stories to take a look at. Delta having one of those glitches, kind of like what we've seen with a couple other major airlines recently, and that's delaying a lot of flights. The stock is down about 2% heading into trading hours. Tyson Foods reported a lot of good news. They reported really strong earnings, estimates beat last year's numbers by a ton. They reported earnings of $1.25 per share versus 85 cents a year ago. Also beat estimates by about 10 or 15 cents, depending on who you ask. So strong day for Tyson Foods there. They raised their full year guidance in terms of revenue and also announced that they expect $700 million worth of synergies from acquiring Hillshire Brands. So strong day for Tyson Foods. That's a good start for them and a good start for the market as the futures are pointing positively to start off the week. The Olympics, they are going on. We're going to start doing an Olympic update once a day, maybe in the morning, maybe in the afternoon, maybe at lunchtime. Who knows when we're going to do it, but we're going to do it every single day. So that there's no confusion. Team USA, that's who I'm rooting for. I don't know about you guys, but go America. Very excited for this team. And a couple things we're going to do every day is we're going to track the medal count. We're American. The only thing we care about are gold medals. So congrats to everybody that wins the silver. That swimmer last night that had the deformed lung cavity, something like that. He got a bronze, was really excited. I'm not that excited for him. He got a bronze. Great. We're going to count gold medals. So far, to give you a quick rundown, USA, 3 gold medals. China, 3 gold medals. Australia, 3 gold medals. Italy and South Korea, both coming in with 2 gold medals. So nice hot start for the USA. We have got to defeat China. We've got to take down Australia, hold off Italy and South Korea, and it's going to be a great Olympic season. So hopefully we continue to rack up those golds. Michael Phelps got yet another medal. He now has 23, you heard that right, 23 career medals. Now I really just care about the gold, but I didn't do my research, so I don't know how many of those are gold. I think the majority. But 23 career medals. For context, that is more than 90 countries have in total Olympic medals. Think about that. So 90 countries have won medals, but they've won fewer than 23. So great job by Michael Phelps. What a hero. Glad to see that guy back in the pool. I think he's going to swim forever. I don't think he ages. Glad he's out there. A couple other stories. Yulia Efimova, Russian swimmer, swimming tonight in the women's 100-meter breaststroke final at 9:54 p.m. Eastern Time. Check your schedule. A lot of controversy here. You know, the Russian team, they've had all kinds of issues with steroid use for a while. No one from their contingency was going to be allowed to compete in track and field. They've even had issues with their Paralympic team using performance-enhancing drugs. You heard that right. Paralympic athletes using performance-enhancing drugs and getting banned from the Paralympic Games. But Yulia, 2 failed tests, was not going to be allowed to compete, and then all of a sudden recently they said she can compete. She's swimming in the final. She's definitely the villain. I'm going to throw this out here. Unpopular opinion time. Let's not get boundaries construed. I'm still rooting for the good guys, Team USA, but I'm Team Yulia. I think if the Olympians say, hey, you can swim in whatever that body is, there's no way they're remotely corrupt. There's no way that I wouldn't trust the Olympic governing body if they say, you failed 2 steroid tests, but we're okay with you swimming. I think if anything, she should be accused of maximizing her resources. So way to go, Yulia. Glad to see you out there. I'm going to be rooting for you. Hope you do great. Hope you finish second to Team USA because gold medals matter. But other than that, we're excited to see you swim. I hope you get second. Take home that silver, Yulia. Hashtag Team Yulia. Y'all have a great day. We'll be back at lunchtime and back at the end of the day. We'll do another Olympic update tomorrow. And hopefully we'll see this number really skyrocket I don't think these numbers are going to go down. Spoiler alert, they're not going to lose any metals, at least not in the short term. But let's just run away with this thing. Y'all have a great day.
Tusk Media is a subsidiary of Narwhal Capital Management. Ratings and reviews of Tusk Media content are not to be construed as endorsements of opinions, analysis, or services offered by Tusk or its parent company. The opinions and predictions shared here are our professional beliefs at the time of publication. We are not under duress from any of the corporate entities mentioned. This is not a solicitation to take any particular action. Although we are investment advisors, this information should not be considered investment, legal, or tax advice. We strive to be as impartial, insightful, and accurate as possible. We base our opinions, analysis, and calculations on information we believe to be reliable, but we cannot guarantee its accuracy. We can, however, guarantee that our opinions will sometimes be flat out wrong due to a variety of factors. Employees and clients of Narwhal Capital Management may or may not hold positions in the securities detailed and may or may not hold these positions in the future. A full list of all securities purchased, sold, or held during the 12 months preceding the date of this publication can be provided upon request. Unless otherwise noted, all data accessed via MarketWatch or the Bloomberg terminal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. A copy of Narwhal's Form ADV is available at the SEC's website, www.advisorinfo.sec.gov, or from Narwhal upon written request.